there, it's Crystal Powell from Remax Jazz, and today I'm thrilled to be joined with Nate Leach, Business Development Agent from Allstate Insurance Company of Canada. Thanks for joining me today, Nate. How you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking, Crystal, and thank you so much for having me on. I really appreciate
I'm
it.
thrilled to have you. So we're going to talk today about insurance payments and different aspects with that. So is there an advantage to paying your insurance monthly versus annually, or vice versa?
So a lot of people tend to pay their insurance monthly. I honestly think it puts them at a disadvantage. And this is a little bit of a personal opinion, but I feel like when I should lay out the facts, I hope people will start to agree with me. When you're paying on a monthly schedule, yes, it's easy, it's convenient, and it's a manageable payment to make constantly. But you're actually oftentimes getting dinged for basically financing your insurance, for lack of a better term. Most insurance companies, and again, this is industry standard, they'll put in a payment fee or a financing fee, however they want to word it, but just a fee to put you on that monthly payment plan. Typically, if you go on that upfront payment, you're dodging a lot of those fees. You might even get a bit of a discount depending on the company that you're with. And the big reasons why I like being on an annual pay plan, because that's what I do myself, is I never have to worry about a missed payment. It gives me peace of mind knowing that my insurance is paid for. I never have to worry about it changing on me in the middle of the term. And it also still instills really good saving habits for people. At the end of the day, the insurance company is going to get their money one way or another. The better way to go look at it is now you've saved up and you've achieved that goal to make that payment, as opposed to sitting there and just paying that bill and paying that bill and paying that bill.
Right. Now, you mentioned missed payments. How do missed payments affect the consumer's relationship with the insurance company?
So first missed payment, not a real big deal. In Ontario, you have up to 3 missed payments that you can have before the insurance companies will come in and say, we need our money now. After you've missed those 3 payments, they're going to turn around and they're going to say, give us our money or we cancel your insurance. The last thing you want is to be canceled for non-payment. If that does happen, they rate on that for 3 years. So that means your insurance premiums for the next 3 years are going to go up just directly as a result for you not paying it. But on the back end, you now have a gap in insurance experience. It may have only been by a day. It could have only been by an hour. But now the insurance company says you stopped having insurance at this time because you didn't pay. So now you get set back to 0 time on risk.
Right.
So then for the next 3 years, you're paying the surcharge, and then you're going to take another 10 years to rebuild your status to be considered a top tier driver.
All because you missed a payment.
All because you missed
3 payments.
Yes.
Yeah. And so how does that differ with home insurance versus auto insurance?
Home insurance, it's a little bit different because it's not as tightly regulated. Most companies will allow 1 to 2 missed payments. But again, once we find out that there's been a cancellation for non-payment, your rates are going to go up. Right. And it drops things like your insurance scores.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So the moral of the story here is pay your insurance on time. And if you are able to save up for it, you're better off to do it annually because you're not going to pay those surcharges. So thanks so much, Nate, for chatting with me today. If people are looking for more information or want quotes on insurance, where can they find you?
They can always reach out to me on Facebook or shoot me a text on my cell. My number, 905-435-7557. And if you can't get me there, always shoot me an email, nleach@allstate.ca. I'm always available for any of my clients or anyone who's interested.
Perfect. Thank you. And once again, it's Crystal Powell from Remax Jazz. And if you're thinking about buying or selling, have any questions about the market or all things real estate, just call Crystal. Talk to you soon.